So in this Pages tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to insert page numbers into a document here on the Pages application. So the first thing you have to do is open up the Pages application and find a new document or a current document. Once that is done for this demonstration, I'm going to type in "this is page 1," just like that. And if I were to go ahead here and add another page right here, I'll go ahead and I will type in "this is page 2." So this is page 2 right here. As you can tell, there's no page number whatsoever. Same thing here on page number 1. Now, if you want to add a page number, it's super straightforward, super simple. Go to the top to where it says insert, right beside where it says table, press on the little drop down here. About 5 options down, it says page number right here. Press on that. Now, what you can actually do is this page number right here. So if you want to go to the top right, for example, you can press on insert page number just like this. You can go to page 1 of 2, page 1, or page 1 of 2, whatever the case may be. So if you wanted page number 1 right here, there you go. And if you were to go down, page 2 is applied just like that. So that's one way you can do it as well. You can also, as I mentioned before, go to insert, go to page number right here, and then the page number is applied, number 1, number 2, just like that. So super simple, super straightforward. This is how to insert a page number inside of a document here on the Pages application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.